Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we're comparing the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the JCROBOT T iSleeky L7C Pro. The Hohem gimbal boasts a robust 3-axis stabilization system, ultra-wide angle mode, and an impressive battery life of up to 13 hours, making it perfect for extended shooting sessions. On the other hand, the JCROBOT offers a lightweight, foldable design with AI smart tracking and gesture control, ideal for vloggers on the go. Let's explore how these two gimbals stack up in terms of stabilization, battery life, and special features. When it comes to stabilization, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus features advanced 3-axis iSteady 7.0 technology, ensuring smooth and professional-looking footage even in dynamic environments. In contrast, while the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro also offers 3-axis stabilization, it may not match the level of performance provided by the Hohem model, especially in challenging shooting conditions. Battery life is crucial for any videographer. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus excels with a battery life of up to 13 hours, allowing for long shooting sessions without interruption. On the other hand, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro does not specify its battery life, which may raise concerns for users who require extended usage during their shoots. In terms of special features, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus offers unique shooting modes, including Inception mode, which allows for creative filming angles. Meanwhile, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro stands out with its AI smart tracking and gesture control, making it a convenient choice for solo shooters who want to capture dynamic shots without assistance. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro have their strengths and weaknesses. The Hohem model is ideal for those seeking advanced features and extended battery life, while the JCROBOT is perfect for those prioritizing portability and ease of use. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more